Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by defining the purpose, report, dashboard, or clean data table so every design choice aligns. Once done, build a skeleton, freeze the top row, add named ranges and group related columns. Import or paste data, then normalize types and remove duplicates. Make sure dates are true dates and numbers are numeric. These first steps remove friction and let formatting reflect structure, not fix broken data. Start now so styling won't mask deeper problems. Now you establish hierarchy. Pick one font family, limit sizes, and choose a 2 to 3 color palette for accents versus backgrounds. Apply bold and subtle borders to separate header zones and use alignment to guide the eye. Then add conditional formatting for critical thresholds, colors for high, medium, low, and use custom number formats like $##0, 00 and 0. 0% so values read at a glance. Once set, the sheet communicates priority without finish by polishing. Create concise charts and sparklines, add a clean header with logo and export-friendly spacing, and set print areas. Automate repetitive tasks with drop-down validation, protected ranges, and simple app script triggers. Make sure collaborators have appropriate access. If something breaks, first check formula errors, then mismatched data types, and finally conflicting conditional formatting rules. That sequence resolves most issues quickly. If not, isolate a copy and test changes there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.